Today I will be making this avocado and honey deep conditioning hair mask. Angels, if you want to see how it's done, keep watching. So the ingredients list for this deep conditioning mask is fairly easy. You're of course going to need 1 avocado, some honey. Regular honey is fine. In addition to these 2 ingredients, you're going to need olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. If you're anything like me and you love avocados, do you know avocados are far too expensive to waste any one? So just know this deep conditioning mask is definitely worth your $2 or so avocado. If you're familiar with any other natural hair products on the market, then you know when they use avocados in their ingredients list, they're way too expensive. But in addition to your 1 whole avocado, you're also going to be using 5 tablespoons of honey. Honey is great for your hair because it acts to seal moisture into your hair. So the moisture that the antioxidants from the avocado are adding to your hair will be sealed in with the honey. And then you're also going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil for shine. All of these ingredients work together to protect your hair from being damaged. I'm going to be using the Ninja to blend it all up. This is the consistency, and now the application. I just wanted to show you all the consistency I'm working with. I am fresh up out of a wig. Here we go. I just want to say this smells so yummy, like the honey. Oh, baby girl woke up, decided to relocate, but I just wanted to show y'all how I put a plastic bag on my head to try to like lock in heat to deep condition. Frugal, not cheap. Okay, so I just basically like put the bag like up against my scalp in the front, and then take all my hair, pull it back, and put a rubber band over it. I'm gonna keep this on maybe for like an hour, 30 minutes. The longer the better, of course, but I'll be back. So when I finally rinsed the deep conditioning mask out of my hair was so soft and so shiny. It's hard to capture with a camera, but you will have to try it and let me know your results in the comments below for your own feedback. But my hair smells so great in addition to this. So thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I hope you all be blessed.